If you want to be the biggest jerk at an open house, we're going to tell you how to do it. And you can do it in just 4 easy steps. Step number 1, all you have to do is bring loads of kids and then not watch them. Let them try to jump on the bed and play the pianos and make me, the listing agent, be the bad guy when I tell them that they can't do that in the house.
Number 2, instead of just saying, hey, the house is a little overpriced, I think you should argue with me for 30 minutes in front of other clients and say how much you think it is overpriced and that the condition is terrible.
Instead of just kindly giving your name and phone number or email address to the listing agent because they're going to be trying to follow up for feedback and report the exact number of people that were in attendance for the sellers, instead of doing that, you should argue with them or try to sneak around the agent and run away and say, no thanks, no thanks.
The last way you can be a jerk is by showing up crazy early, 45 minutes early, and beating us to the open house, or after we've carried everything out to the car and we've locked the door and we're walking to the car, you pull up and say, is it too late for the open house?
I have to say that the vast majority of people are very kind and not that way at all whatsoever. If there's ever anything you need, don't hesitate to reach out, and we're always here and happy to help. Unless it's half an hour after the open house closes. And then we're still here and we're still helpful, but we're just a little less happy about it.